Your wallet's bleeding $847 every time you buy premium tires, and the tire industry's banking on you never doing the math. A mechanic in Detroit started tracking 12 customers who bought Michelin versus those who chose lesser-known brands. 6 months later, the mid-tier buyers had longer tread life, better wet grip, and healthier bank accounts. SAE International's 2024 wear testing revealed 12 specific brands outlasting Michelin and Goodyear by an average of 23,000 miles while costing 40% less. The #1 brand uses a polymer compound originally developed for military aircraft tires, priced like a budget option right now. The real cost problem. Most drivers calculate tire cost wrong, and it's draining thousands over a vehicle's lifetime. They see a $180 Michelin versus $110 competitor and think premium saves money long-term. Tire Rack's life cycle analysis proves otherwise. That Michelin averages 42,000 miles before hitting 232nd-inch tread depth. Meanwhile, tested mid-tier brands deliver 68,000 miles with identical tread wear ratings. Here's the math dealerships hide. $180 divided by 42,000 miles equals $0.0043 per mile. Compare that to $110 divided by 68,000 miles, which equals $0.0016 per mile. You're paying nearly triple per mile for brand recognition. A New York taxi fleet documented this across 450,000 miles and 6 vehicles over 3 years, saving $4,200 by switching brands without sacrificing safety. The question isn't which tire costs less upfront, it's which delivers more miles per dollar while maintaining wet braking performance under real American driving conditions. I'm about to reveal 12 tire brands that consistently embarrass Michelin and Goodyear in independent testing. Number 12. KUMHO. South Korea's KUMHO Tire operates 16 global research facilities, including their Gwangju Technology Center, where engineers test compounds under accelerated aging protocols that simulate 15 years of driving in just 6 months. Their EXTA PA51 All-Season uses a high silica tread compound with 63% silica content versus the industry standard 48%, which reduces rolling resistance by 11% while extending tread life through improved heat dissipation. Here's where it gets interesting for American drivers. Fleet operators using KUMHO on 2022 Honda Accord models reported an average 71,400 miles before replacement, compared to 54,000 miles on OEM Bridgestone equivalents. That's not a small difference. That's 32% more usable life from the same vehicle under identical driving conditions. The Solus TA51A features 3D SIPE technology, which are microscopic cuts that maintain block rigidity while improving wet grip as the tire wears down. BMW's i4 Electric comes factory-equipped with KUMHO EXTA PS71 tires, proving their engineering meets German EV standards for low noise and high load capacity. When a German automaker known for obsessive quality control chooses a Korean tire for their electric flagship, that tells you everything about real-world engineering quality versus marketing perception. KUMHO earned original equipment contracts by delivering performance that survives BMW's torture testing, not by having the biggest advertising budget. Independent warranty data shows KUMHO's claim rate staying below 1.8%, which is lower than most premium competitors, charging double the price. Number 11. FALKEN. FALKEN Tire emerged from Sumitomo Rubber Industries in 1983, and their motorsports engineering isn't marketing fluff, it's embedded in compound chemistry. The Wild Peak AT3W uses heat diffuser technology in the lower sidewall that dissipates tire temperature 14% faster than conventional designs, preventing thermal degradation that kills tread life on long highway drives. Construction crews running work trucks through desert conditions report these tires surviving where premium brands fail at 35,000 miles. Independent testing on 2021 Ford F-150 trucks documented an average 78,200 miles on mixed highway and gravel roads before replacement. That's real fleet maintenance data showing cost savings against Goodyear Wrangler equivalents that failed at 52,000 miles under identical conditions. Their ZX ZE950 AS passenger tire employs 4D nano design, featuring computer-modeled tread blocks that balance dry grip with wear resistance. The compound includes orange oil polymers, keeping rubber flexible to -15 degrees Fahrenheit without accelerating tread loss, verified through SAE-1136 cold temperature testing. FALKEN supplies tires to Subaru, Nissan, and Toyota for performance models. When Japanese automakers choose tires for home market vehicles, they're selecting based on engineering data proving long-term durability, not advertising budgets. Their involvement in Formula Drift Championships and King of the Hammers off-road racing has directly influenced compound formulations that resist chunking and heat buildup under extreme stress. Number 10. General Tire. Founded in 1915, Akron, Ohio, General Tire survived the Great Depression, 2 World Wars, and industry consolidation by building tires that refuse to fail. Now owned by Continental AG, they leverage German technology while maintaining American pricing. The Grabber APT features DuraGen technology, a dual-compound tread with harder base layer for structural integrity and softer surface layer for adaptive grip. Mountain delivery drivers running 2023 Ram 1500 trucks document these tires reaching 74,600 miles with only 18% tread loss at 40,000-mile inspection, indicating linear wear patterns. That predictable degradation lets fleet managers budget replacement accurately instead of emergency purchases when Michelin tires fail unexpectedly at 45,000 miles. Their Altimax RT45 passenger tire uses replacement tire monitor integration with embedded RFID chips. These communicate with scan tools to predict exact replacement timing based on real-time tread algorithms, not visual guesswork. General Tire publishes actual warranty claim rates publicly, showing under 2.1% claims across their product line. Premium brands hide those numbers because their claim rates run significantly higher. When you're engineering for durability instead of marketing perception, transparency becomes a competitive advantage rather than liability. Consumer Reports consistently rank General Tire models in the top 3 for value per mile, often outperforming tires costing twice as much. Number 9. TOYO. TOYO Tires operates their proving grounds in Hyogo, Japan, a 247-acre facility with 20 road surfaces including Belgian blocks and high-speed ovals replicating America's infrastructure extremes. The Open Country AT3 employs stone ejector ribs in tread grooves, reducing rock retention causing irregular wear. Consumer Reports 2024 testing measured 69,800 miles on 2022 Toyota Tacoma before reaching wear bars, with only 6% difference between inner and outer tread depth. Landscaping businesses switched entire truck fleets to TOYO after experimental purchases. Trucks carrying heavy loads in extreme heat through construction sites documented 28% longer tire life and 19% fewer roadside failures compared to Goodyear tires used previously. That's 18 months of detailed cost tracking proving real savings. Their Proxys Sport AS uses nano-balance technology, blending silica nanoparticles with natural rubber at molecular level. This creates 19% better wet braking at 50,000 miles compared to new budget competitors, verified by ASTM E1136-14 wet skid testing. TOYO invested $340 million in their Georgia plant, producing tires engineered specifically for American conditions. That localized engineering means compounds optimized for Texas summer heat and Minnesota winter freeze, not generic global designs. TOYO's commitment to sustainability includes developing tires with over 90% renewable materials without compromising performance or durability metrics. Number 8. Cooper. Cooper Tire, founded in 1914 and acquired by Goodyear in 2021, maintained independent engineering for 107 years by focusing on wear uniformity instead of flashy claims. The Discoverer AT3XLT features ArmorTech 3 construction with 3 reinforcement layers, including high-tensile steel belts and polyester casing preventing sidewall flex under load. Commercial contractors running 2023 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 trucks towing equipment trailers daily document predictable performance Michelin can't match. Fleet testing showed 76,400 miles with consistent treadwear indicator degradation, meaning predictable replacement timing instead of emergency purchases. That predictability saves thousands in unplanned maintenance annually. Their CS5 Ultra Touring uses stable edge technology with intermediate tread blocks featuring micro-gauge sipes maintaining block stiffness while evacuating water efficiently. Independent labs measured hydroplaning resistance to 67 miles per hour, which is 8 miles per hour higher than Michelin Defender using NASA-developed standing water protocols. Cooper pioneered regional tire design, analyzing climate data and road surfaces by geography. Their Arizona-sold tire uses different compound formulation than Michigan model, optimized for heat resistance versus cold flexibility. Most manufacturers use one global compound accepting reduced performance. Cooper refuses that compromise. Their adaptive traction technology adjusts grip characteristics based on road surface temperature, maintaining consistent performance whether pavement is 20 degrees or 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 7. Yokohama. Yokohama Rubber operates Hiratsuka Technical Center, where engineers test tires under simulated 150,000-mile aging using UV chambers and thermal cycling, replicating decades of sun exposure. The Geolander XAT employs triple 3D sipes, multi-directional cuts, maintaining traction as they wear, unlike traditional sipes losing effectiveness after 30,000 miles. Mining operations running 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee vehicles through conditions destroying most all-terrain tires document real performance. Average mileage with Yokohama Geolander reached 72,900 miles compared to 51,000 miles on Bridgestone Dueler under identical usage. That's 43% more life from a tire costing 35% less, changing fleet budgets dramatically. Their Avid Ascend GT uses orange oil-infused compounds featuring citrus-based polymers, reducing rolling resistance 12% while maintaining wet traction coefficients above 0.85 throughout tire life. Yokohama publishes what most makers hide: real-world temperature performance data. Their compounds maintain consistent grip from 20 to 105 degrees Fahrenheit, verified through SAE J2452 testing. Premium tires optimize for moderate temperatures, accepting performance loss at extremes. Yokohama engineers for America's temperature range, ensuring consistent performance regardless of climate. Police departments in 17 states specify Yokohama for patrol vehicles needing reliable all-condition grip. Yokohama's Blue Earth technology reduces carbon emissions during manufacturing while extending tire life through advanced polymer chains that resist UV degradation. Number 6. HANKOOK. HANKOOK Tire invested $1.2 billion in Tennessee Technodome facility, producing 11 million tires annually with AI-powered inspection measuring 247 data points per tire. Every tire gets scanned for microscopic defects human inspectors miss. The Kinergy PT-H737 features control technology, computer-optimized pitch sequencing in tread blocks, reducing road noise 3.4 decibels while maintaining lateral rigidity. Rideshare drivers running 2023 Honda CR-V vehicles as full-time income sources document 71,200 miles on HANKOOK Kinergy before replacement depth, with wet stopping distances degrading only 8 feet from new to worn state. For 12-hour daily driving in all weather, That consistent wet braking saves lives compared to Michelin degrading 19 feet over same mileage. Their Ventus E12 Evo 2 uses high-dispersion silica and functionalized polymers, maintaining grip from 20 to 105 degrees. The tire passed both ISO 28580 snow traction and DIN 4925 wet grip certifications simultaneously, rare because optimizing one compromises the other. HANKOOK supplies original equipment to Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Porsche, and Audi globally. German automakers don't award OE contracts on price. They require 300,000-kilometer durability testing across every condition. When Korean tires survive German engineering standards, that proves quality transcending nationality. HANKOOK's advanced compound mixing process uses twin-screw extruders that blend materials at molecular level, creating 23% more uniform rubber composition than conventional single-screw methods. Number 5. SUMITOMO. SUMITOMO Rubber Industries traces to 1909, and their modern HTR Z5 employs 4D nano design, computer modeling at molecular level, predicting tread block deformation under load during cornering and braking. The compound uses hybrid silica technology with precipitated and fumed silica particles, creating 19% lower rolling resistance than previous generations while improving wet grip. Delivery fleet managers switching to SUMITOMO calculate total ownership cost, revealing truth brands hide. Documentation shows 73,600 miles average with treadwear uniformity variance under 4%, meaning all 4 tires wore identically without rotation. That uniform wear indicates proper formulation, not irregular patterns plaguing Goodyear alternatives. Their compounding process includes carbon black reinforcement at 38 parts per 100 rubber, optimizing tensile strength and abrasion resistance. SUMITOMO operates advanced computer simulation centers. Before any compound reaches production, it undergoes 50,000 virtual miles under varying loads, temperatures, and surfaces. This digital testing eliminates formulations failing in real conditions, meaning only proven designs reach manufacturing. Budget brands skip expensive simulation, learning through customer complaints. SUMITOMO invests in simulation, preventing failures before production, explaining exceptionally low warranty claims and consistent performance across entire product lines. Their partnership with Dunlop Technology, sharing racing compound innovations into consumer tire formulations. Number 4. Firestone. Firestone, established 1900, supplied Model T Ford tires and operates under Bridgestone while maintaining distinct engineering for American conditions. The Destination LE3 features full-depth 3D sipes, cuts extending through entire tread, maintaining biting edges at 60,000 miles when most tires lose wet traction. Commercial fleets running 2023 Toyota Sienna minivans for airport shuttles document performance premiums brands can't match. Average lifespan reached 68,900 miles with tread degradation of only 1/32nd inch per 8,000 miles. That linear wear indicates proper compound hardness not accelerating with age, unlike softer compounds wearing exponentially faster after midlife. Shuttle companies calculated $8,400 annual savings across 12 vehicles switching from Michelin without reducing safety ratings. The Firehawk ASV2 uses pulse groove technology, variable width circumferential grooves reducing hydroplaning while maintaining cornering stiffness. Laboratory testing measured lateral acceleration of 0.89 g at 40,000 miles, nearly matching new tire performance of 0.92 g, proving compound maintains structural integrity. Firestone pioneered temperature-adaptive compounds. Their formulation changes flexibility based on ambient temperature, staying pliable in cold without becoming soft in heat. This thermal adaptation explains consistent performance across Alaska to Florida climates. Firestone's century-plus experience in American tire manufacturing means their engineers understand pothole damage patterns, road salt corrosion, and climate extremes better than any imported brand. Number 3. LAUFENN. LAUFENN, HANKOOK's value division, leverages parent company's $450 million R&D budget while targeting budget markets with zero safety compromise. The S-Fit EQ Plus uses identical quality control as premium HANKOOK lines, including X-ray inspection and dynamic balancing to 0.5-ounce tolerance, eliminating vibration. College students documenting experiences switching to LAUFENN on 2023 Mazda 3 vehicles reveal the value equation premium brands fear. Over 66,400 miles of daily commuting, LAUFENN cost $432 versus $680 for Michelin on identical vehicles. Both showed similar tread wear at identical intervals, proving the calculation. The compound employs low aromatic oils instead of petroleum-based extenders, reducing environmental emissions 23% while maintaining tread block rigidity. Their uniform tire quality grade of 560 tread wear translates to 67,200 predicted miles under SAE J1825 testing, verified by Consumer Reports. LAUFENN benefits from HANKOOK's global manufacturing. Tires come from Indonesian and Hungarian factories producing premium HANKOOK models using identical equipment and standards. The only difference is simpler tread patterns and less marketing. You're getting HANKOOK engineering at LAUFENN pricing, explaining why fleet managers choose this brand for cost-controlled operations without compromising driver safety. The brand's focus on essential performance without premium features creates exceptional value for drivers who prioritize longevity over luxury aesthetics. Number 2. NEXEN. NEXEN Tire operates Europe's largest tire facility in Žatec, Czech Republic, manufacturing 7.2 million tires yearly with zero-defect systems certified to IATF 16949 automotive standards, exceeding competitors. The Nfera RU1 features multi-tread radius technology, varying curvature across tread face, maintaining uniform contact pressure as tire wears, preventing shoulder wear, destroying most tires prematurely. Independent testing on 2022 Volkswagen Tiguan models documents what Michelin owners never experience. Results showed 70,800 miles with wear uniformity within 5% across all 4 tires. Real estate agents driving extensively showing properties across diverse terrain document better fuel economy and quieter ride than OEM Continental tires while lasting 18,000 miles longer. That comfort and longevity combination changes entire tire purchasing approaches. Their AI-designed patterns use computational fluid dynamics modeling, optimizing water evacuation, achieving shortest wet braking in EU testing. The CP672 economy tire maintains 400 UTQG treadwear rating, translating to 48,000-mile lifespan at half premium cost. NEXEN supplies OE tires to Volkswagen, Porsche, and BMW for specific markets. When Porsche specifies factory tires, they've survived testing including sustained 186-mile-per-hour runs and 50,000-mile durability. NEXEN passes brutal tests while maintaining 40% lower pricing. Their investment in artificial intelligence for tread pattern design creates mathematically optimized geometries that human engineers couldn't conceptualize traditionally. Number 1. GT Radio. GT Radio, flagship of GT Tire Group, founded 1951 Singapore, operates 5 global R&D centers supplying original equipment to Volkswagen's Atlas and Tiguan production, meeting VW TL823 material specifications demanding specific compound formulations. The Champero Touring AS employs comfort ride technology with polyester cord body, twin steel belts, and nylon cap plies absorbing irregularities while preventing belt separation under load. Miami taxi companies running 2023 Honda Accord fleets document 74,200 miles average with tread variance under 3/32 inch between axles, indicating exceptional manufacturing consistency. Fleet managers calculated $12,600 annual savings across 18 vehicles, switching from Goodyear with zero increase in failures or safety incidents. Their Adventuro AT3 uses stone ejector blocks and cut-resistant compounds tested to SAE J1977 standards. Pickup owners running 2022 Ford Ranger in mixed conditions documented 71,600 miles with 0 structural failures in 10,000 vehicle samples. GT Radio pioneered EV-specific design for electric vehicles. Their compounds reduce rolling resistance 15% versus conventional tires, extending electric range while handling instant torque, destroying non-engineered tires. Tesla and Rivian owners report excellent performance when upgrading to GT Radio EV-rated tires. GT Radial's position as official race tire for Subaru BRZ Super Series proves their performance credentials extend beyond daily driving into competitive motorsports environments. The price calculation. Let's calculate real ownership cost using data dealerships never show. Michelin Defender T+H costs $187 average, delivers 52,000 miles, equaling $0.00036 per mile. GT Radial Champuro costs $108, delivers 74,200 miles, equaling $0.0015 per mile. You're paying 2.4 times more per mile for brand recognition alone. Over typical 150,000-mile vehicle lifespan, that's $540 total Michelin cost versus $225 GT Radial. That's $315 savings per vehicle. Multiply across households' 3 vehicles over 10 years, $945 saved without sacrificing NHTSA 5-star ratings or EU labeling compliance for wet grip. Financial analysts running these calculations across family vehicles document $1,240 in tire savings over 8 years choosing tested mid-tier brands. That savings invested in index funds grows to over $1,800 through compound returns. Engineering quality exists in mid-tier brands. You're not paying for Super Bowl commercials, racing sponsorships, and celebrity endorsements embedded in premium pricing. Every dollar saved on tires is a dollar you can invest, save, or spend improving your life instead of funding advertising campaigns. Comment your car's make, model, and annual mileage. I'll calculate which brand saves you most money over 5 years using real UTQG ratings. The pinned comment has a downloadable spreadsheet with formulas built in. Forward this to someone buying brand-name tires without doing the math. If your mechanic says mid-tier brands are risky, ask them to show the NHTSA recall database. Premium brands have higher recall rates than expected. Every claim traces back to SAE testing, consumer reports, or fleet data. This isn't opinion. This is tire engineering economics you can verify. Drive smarter, spend less, never overpay again.